Hello, I'm going to talk about how to create videos online to post on YouTube for free. The three programs I've used in the past are Cam Studio, VSDC video software, NCH software. Cam Studio is a free open source code, so it updates every time. The first time you use it, it'll work. The second time, you have to update the software in order for it to work. Cam Studio has a play button, and you have to enable microphone in order to record voice, and you have to use Flash or AVI in order for the video to upload on YouTube. It's very basic and simple instructions. VSDC I have used. It records good audio and pictures. You can download it, and you can also download the video editor to edit your videos, the audio converter, and the audio CD grabber. It's free to use, and it's used in the United States and all these countries. If you want to buy the program to edit your videos, it costs $20. NCH has great audio and great picture quality. They only give you about 1 week as a free trial. You can also burn DVDs, record video, create slideshows, animate videos, and it's a great program to use. It's connected with YouTube video editor. You can download the video pad. It has all the same features what would you do on YouTube to edit your videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.